What's up, guys? Dustin Heiner here with Master Passive Income. I'm going to share with you how you can use ChatGPT to actually help you with your legal writing. So ChatGPT is not a lawyer. I'm not a lawyer. Consult your lawyer for everything. But this is going to help you get a leg up in your legal writing. Now, I invest in real estate, and I'm going to share with you how I'm using ChatGPT to help me word things for my realtor. And when I'm buying a property, I want to make sure things are worded properly. So let's jump over to ChatGPT so you can see it. And here is a home inspection. Now, in the home inspection, there are things that need to get fixed. If you're buying it, you're going to suggest or ask the seller to repair these items. They can always say no. But let's say this one, there's the doors, there's gaps in the doors. It just looks really, really bad. And I want ChatGPT to actually write out a legal letter for me. So what I want to do is I really want to have ChatGPT ask me questions on what it is that is going to be needed in order for me to answer the questions right. So what I'm asking it, I am purchasing a house and need to word the repairs that the seller must do in order to move forward with the sale. You're going to help me word the items as a lawyer would. These need to be very descriptive and detailed and make sure the seller replaces, repairs, or corrects these items that are wrong. Here's a key. You want to ask it, what questions do you need from me in order to do this? You want to ask it, what should I give you? Because if you don't give it the right information, it's not going to work out well. Now, this is going to give you a lot of great insights of what you need to add into the repairs that you're going to need. But here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go right to this. I'm going to copy this. This is the home inspection. And I'm literally going to take exactly what's written there. And now that it's done, I'm just going to paste that right inside there. There you go. So ChatGPT is literally going to write this out for me. And if it's a bracket there, you got to fix that bracket, put it inside the property address. So while this is working, and don't worry, we're going to make this a big letter. ChatGPT is going to do it for us. So let's go into, let's find another one. These lentils need to be painted. There is rust on them. You can see them right there. Let me see, share this tab. So you can see the rust on these lentils right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into ChatGPT. Now that it's done, I'm going to paste a new one in there. These lentils need to be fixed. Now, while ChatGPT is actually working, I'm going to go to my home inspection. And let's say I'll find one. That's okay. Oh, here we go. Copper pipes leaking. Yes, we definitely want that fixed. So I'm going to go over here to ChatGPT. And it's still typing out, which is totally fine. But now what I'm going to do, as it's done, I'm going to paste this in there. So it's actually going to fix it, or add this in there to be fixed. Now, while this is just finishing up, I'm going to walk you through in just a second how to make sure ChatGPT words this properly for you. So this will be the last one. There's probably a few other things inside this home inspection, like these drain pipes need to be fixed. Let's see, there's a toilet, this improper drain material. And so to keep this, improper drain material, there's probably some more things that need to be fixed. Like right here, these improper drain material, getting this cover plate fixed, which is very simple, but I'd rather have the seller do it than I do it or pay somebody else to do it. Loose toilet. Now let's go back into here. Now what we're going to do in ChatGPT is we're going to ask it, please write a letter as a realtor would to request seller to replace or repair these items. Remember, so don't need to add that all items need to be corrected by a licensed contractor or plumber. There we go. So it's going to write the entire letter for me. So, oh wow, it's actually giving me 2 responses. Never seen that done before, but that's pretty awesome. It was populating 2, and I would pick that one apparently. But anytime there's brackets, you got to change those, and it's giving you exactly what you need to put inside this letter. So change all these brackets up here, add the seller's name, your name, if it's your name, and then just copy and paste, and you can sign the letter if you want. But remember, ChatGPT is not a lawyer, so you can use this or take it to a lawyer to make sure it's done right. But then look at that. You have an entire letter written and using the home inspector's information that he literally puts inside of here so that the realtor and the seller seller will be able to know what to fix and hopefully be legally binding to fix. So I want you to like, follow, and share for more great investing content like this.